Okay, everybody. So, as in this passage, I want to show you how to update data in MySQL table using MySQL. Okay, right now sometimes we want to update the record when we input the wrong before, or you can update the record in the later information. So we write the code update statement. Yes. So right now I want to create the update code statement. Yes, update.php. Okay, so right now we want to create the update statement. Yes, update and update table name. So my table or there's a earth table my guest. Yes, a table my guest in this lesson. So we set the last name that we want to update. For example, we want to update. Yes, update to those. We want to update Joe and where ID. So in the database number 5, I want to update the Mary last name Joe. So we go to where with the number 5 ID. Yes, number 5 ID and number 5. We check connection. Yes, if the connection check through and echo update success. And everyone to the echo error. Low connection. Okay, so when I create the code update already, we go to the browser. I want to refresh, so I click the update.php. So record updated successfully. So we go to Mary and the last name channel. So I want to update the last name into the search. Yes, with the parameter that we write the code. For example, I want to write code here ID. Yes, and get from the URL. Okay, so right now we go to the code. Yeah, we go to the code, and right now I want to create the two ID, and we use get IDs. Yes, ID refer to the from ID URL. Yeah, ID here. For example, if you want to use like this, yes, and the ID get here, you use like this. So I use ID with a yes, lowercase. So in the ID, we use like this. Okay, when we create get the ID from the URL like this, so in the ID status, we want to use ID here. Yes, ID refer to the variable that I get from the ID URL. Yeah, this is the ID. So I want to update, for example, we want to add that to set. Okay, and I want to refresh. Okay, okay, set update successfully. So I want to update those cell. Yeah, refresh again. Okay, we refresh the database and to the channel. Yeah, right. This is the update with the that is with the dynamic IDs from the URL. Case if we want to dynamic ID name from the URL, we go to replace code here. For example, yes, we add the last name and guess last name from the URL. URL, yeah, okay. Or we can call the query string last name. Okay, last name, and the set I want to replace the last name. Okay, so the ID and the last name I call from the query string URL. So right now we update with the dynamic no status anymore. So we go to, for example, we use ends and the last name equals. For example, in the ID number 5 and the last name that I want to update, go into the set. Okay, want to use set. Yeah, I press enter. Okay, update successfully. Okay, yeah, we want to update like this, mean that we want to call from URL query string and update with the last name and the ID. For example, I want to replace ID 6 and the last name Moon. So I press enter. Okay, we refresh the database. Yeah, you can see the change. If we want to update the first name from the query string, you can use it like this. So I want to, for example, we add the first name. Okay, I add a first name. And the first name we equals with the first name. Okay, this is the dynamic that we want to update from the query string URL with the last name boys with the last name first name. Okay, right now we update from the dynamic first name and last name with the guess from URL. Yes, so right now I want to uh, and first name. Yes, right now I want to update with the first name, for example. Yes, first name. So I this. Yes, press enter. So records update successfully. So we go to the PHP MyAdmin. So we click the DB Okay, so right now we update with from the query string successfully. Okay, right now I want to I show you like this. So in the next step, we want to delete dot php. Okay, right now we delete. SQL delete records. Yeah, we write the SQL delete from my get table with the ID number 6. If con query Okay, right now I create the code delete already. We go to the browser. Yes, right now I want to delete the number 4 in the database. So we go to see database. Okay, right now we want to delete number 5. Yes, I click the delete.php. Deleted successfully. So refresh. Okay, right now so the only one record in the database number 5 deleted already. So I want to delete with the dynamic. We go to use code, for example IDs and get ID. Yes, so in the statement here we refresh with the ID. Okay, when we write it like this, mean that we want to delete with the dynamic code from the URL. For example, yes, we write the URL here, ID and equals number 6. Yeah. Yeah. When I refresh unknown ID and we are close. So we go to okay. So we use the double quotes. Okay, we use like this. So then I want to refresh again. Okay, so record deleted successfully. So I want to refresh. Number 6. Okay, like this we want to change dots IDs. Yes, or we can use like this. So then I want to refresh the record delete successfully. We want to refresh and right now record delete successfully. Okay, right now with the parsing I want to finish with the basic for beginner. Yes, and the next time I want to show you how to insert, update, delete using from the form HTML form. So don't forget follow me on this time, and especially I want to show you how to insert, update, delete with the advanced JavaScript with the HTML HTTP request. Okay, don't forget to follow me in the next time. Say goodbye and especially share on my video. Don't forget. Goodbye.